I like it so far. You heard me. I know I like this mic. Yeah. What's good, y'all? It's your girl, Chyng and it's Thang, back again with another one, y'all. I cannot freaking explain how excited I am to have finally gotten my Blue Yetti microphone. Yeah, y'all, I have been talking about getting one of these for quite some time. So yeah, this is it. I'm super excited. Yetti Blackout. So this is the Blackout mic, y'all. I just hold on. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is, like I said, the ultimate professional USB microphone. This is the Blue Yetti Blackout. It has a lot of different things on it that is very beneficial for recording, as far as like the microphone placement in here. So I absolutely love that. See if I can read some of these benefits. Okay, so it's good for game streaming, Skype and Discord, podcasts, voiceovers, conference calls, field recordings, events, orchestras, interviews, instruments, vocal duets, vocals, ensemble choir, and instruments. So this thing got a lot, okay, a lot of different benefits. It's really incredible. I hear a lot of great things about it. I love this little funky style of like tune they have on the side. You see it? I love it. 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 Okay, y'all, let's get a thumbnail first before we jump in to open this baby up. So y'all, got that out the way. This microphone here was actually $129.99, and I believe that was on sale. So I'm super excited. I think they had it in red, they had it in gray, and they had it in another color, and black. And I just want black. That way I can put it wherever, whenever, however, it still look real professional. So that's why I got black. So we about to hop straight in, okay? I ain't about to talk no more, y'all. If y'all want to know why I got this mic, I am trying to do ASMR, and this was pretty much like one of the most known mics to do ASMR with. So this is why I chose this one, and I like the way it amplifies and condenses the audio. I've listened to plenty of them, so I went ahead and went with this one. And then at the end of the day, y'all, if I really don't care for it, I can always get another one or upgrade or whatever. I felt like $129 was a pretty affordable price, so it's not too gouging. $130. Okay, so I took it out of there. Now we have the white box, and no, I have not even went inside of this before. So we first open it up, y'all. We got this, okay. So this is a USB, and I guess this is probably going to connect into the microphone. So right here in this slot, you have like the little pamphlet. Yeah, y'all, the silver, that was one of the colors available. And then you have the user manual, things like that. So get your USB cord for it. Ooh, okay. I'm so excited. Look at that. Look at that baby up in there, just looking like, hold it out. So this is pretty simplistic. I guess they got the gel, the fresh gels. So yeah, right now it's turned upside down. Of course, you can turn it up like this, and I'm going to tighten it up just so that it'll stand where you want it to stand. So this is it, baby. Okay, this is the mic. You see right here, it's got blue right there. It's got a mute button. I think that's amazing. Volume adjuster. You can go to the patterns in the back of the mic. You can set your pattern, and then you have your gain amount. So that's super dope. So yeah, y'all, at the bottom it's like a I guess it's like this material, some type of foam, so that it don't, I guess, move or whatever when you sit it down. And underneath here, y'all, you have the headphone jack, and then you have the thing for the USB. So that's super dope. So you can choose to put your headphones in so you can hear yourself or whatever, or whatnot. What is this for? Oh, I think it's you can screw it into like a, say you did music. I think you can actually screw this part into like a stand or something so that you can hold it, you know what I'm saying, at the microphone like this to record on. So that's super dope. Yeah, so let's unwrap the cord and let's see. Let's plug it on in, y'all. Let's plug it on in. So we undoing the cord. I'm so excited. It's so simplistic though. It's like, it's kind of hard. Like, if you don't get this right, it's kind of like you gotta be slow because it's so simplistic. Honestly, you don't even need rules to set this up or any type of manual or anything. So take this part. I'm gonna put it into there, like so. And then this part we're gonna plug into the computer. Yeah, I think I wanna give y'all a test of the audio. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and hook it up to the computer. Let me go grab my laptop, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, so y'all, we are back with my laptop, and I do have a yellow MacBook. Do it for the gram, go best friend. Do it for the gram. Okay, so I'm going to start a new audio recording, okay, on QuickTime. So we're gonna take our Blue Yetti, okay. I'm sorry if y'all can't see this because I don't have it sitting up. But we're gonna plug it in the USB section, our laptop. Okay, got it. So now on our laptop, we are going to, okay, yep. So y'all may not be able to see this, but closely on here, you have 2 sections to choose your microphone. And the one section says internal microphone or the Yeti stereo microphone. So I chose the Yeti stereo microphone. Once I plugged it up, y'all, we see this turned red. So that's how you know it's working. Hello. Hello. So we are going to record some audio. And what I'll do is just sit this up here for a hot second so y'all can see everything or not. Okay. So you got the laptop, we got everything popping, y'all. So the volume. Let's turn it up. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know if y'all can see this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Up here in this right hand corner. Yo, yo. Let's try to record it and see what happens. Hi there. How are you guys doing today? I just want you to know that my name is CHYNGIAM and I'm in this thing and we are testing out the Yeti mic. Oh, grr. Oh, grr. Let's see what this audio sounds like, guys. Just try it in this box. Okay. Now we're gonna turn the gain up on here, y'all, to see what happens. Hello? Hello? Hello, hello? We're gonna also change the kind to the second notch. Okay, y'all, we giving it a test run, y'all. Oh, okay, okay. Interviews, instruments, vocals, conference calls, game streaming, Skype, podcasts, voiceovers. Okay, which one should we use? We're gonna use stereo setting, guys. We're gonna use stereo setting. Okay, because stereo setting is for vocals. Some choir instruments or orchestras, voiceovers, podcasts, Skype, game streaming. Yeah, I think the stereo is either going to be the stereo, guys, or the hold on, how the hell you say this? Omnidirectional, or the omnidirectional setting, guys. Okay. Guys, if you put some headphones in, you'll be able to see what it sounds like right away, I suppose. sounds like. Okay, so y'all, now we are not recording anymore. When this mute is on, it's going to beep like so. So the mute is, I'm going to turn it off. You got to make sure it's recording like this, okay? I don't know. If it's not right, then we about to see, ain't we? Okay, let's play this audio, y'all. Hi there. How are you guys doing today? I just want you to know that my name is CHYNGIAM, and I'm in this thing. And we are testing out the Yeti mic. And this is before I turned it up. Oh, okay. Let's see what this audio sounds like, guys. Ooh, that sounds good. Okay. Now we're gonna turn the gain up on here, y'all, to see what happens. What happens? Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Ooh. We're gonna also change the kind to the second. It sounded louder with the gain up. I don't know. Notch. Okay, y'all, we giving it a test run, y'all. Oh, okay. Interviews, instruments, vocals, conference calls, game streaming, Skype, podcasts, voiceovers. Yo. Okay, which one should we use? We're gonna use stereo setting, guys. The second one I turned it to. We're gonna use stereo setting. Okay, because stereo setting is for vocals. Some choir instruments, or I actually like this setting. It sounds like it's picking up more. And right now it's in, yeah, I think the stereo is omnidirectional. Stereo, guys, or it's in omnidirectional now. You can hear me breathing. Hold on, how the hell you say this? Omnidirectional, or the omnidirectional setting, guys. I like the omnidirectional. Okay. Guys, if you put some headphones in, you'll be able to see what it sounds like right away, I suppose. Okay. I'm excited. So let's go for the stereo. Let's go back to stereo, y'all. Okay, y'all, let's see what it sounds like. Okay. I think I like the omnidirectional better. Just my personal opinion, but y'all, we got to test it out and do a little demo on it. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see. I can't wait. That's all I'm gonna say. I cannot wait. Super excited. And then when you use QuickTime, it just automatically makes it an MP3 when you do an audio recording. So I'm super excited. I'm getting ready to do my first video, y'all. The first video is going to be, it might sound crazy, but drinking water ASMR. So we're gonna have a bunch of water on deck. We're gonna be drinking some water on deck, and I'm just doing this to see, like, see how I like it and things like that, and to be able to sync, you know, the audios together and stuff like that. So bear with your girl. I can't wait. I'm excited. We about to hop straight in it though, y'all. I'm gonna be back. This is like, let me know what y'all think, man. I like it so far. You heard me. I know I like this my yeah. Do y'all think I should do singing ASMRs where I really sing very softly for y'all? That might be kind of soothing, right? Or for y'all. Some people might be able to go to sleep to that. So I don't know, y'all. I'm excited. I'm ready to see this journey. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss an upload. And yeah, I love y'all so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing / demo. And yes, it's your girl, CHYNGIAM. Anything. I'll be back again with another one. Bye, y'all.
I love you so damn much. What is it gonna be? Are you and me? I love everything. The thought is so sweet. So go on and let me love